Okay, what shall we talk about? Well, you tell me I haven't got my glasses. You see, you can get too involved with it, you know, this with YouTube. People, oh, here's my glass. They think, oh, look at him, he's making all that money, so I'm going to have a go. And they'll do anything to do it, anything. Copy others do it. The things they do, it's surprising. But they'll get the comeuppance, don't they? Big-headed people who think they're better than everybody else. I don't think I'm any good, better than everybody else, never have. You shouldn't, because there's so many people better than you. Now, tell me, what can I do now? Go on, start, of course, with the old sky. Make enough. I think I'm hoping we've enough here. It's surprising you use more than you think, you know, and if it's a porous paper. Wait a minute. I'll tell you what I'll do. There's a bit of yellow ochre here. Oh, what? Just a minute. Let's just put some water on here. Don't get any hang-ups about being perfect like that. No. See, just scrub it on like that, you know. And then, where's my brush? Then get your blue and come round it like this. That's a bit of a cloud there. Get away. See, pull that up there. Come round here with that, like that. Come round here with that. There. Now then, if you get some water in here, get across. Let me get a piece of paper, save a bit of time. And just sweep it across here. Let's see. I'll have it on a bit of a bed, like. A hill at back, like that. Oh, I could have gone down here, couldn't I? And gone over it. Where are we up to now then? Dry brush it a bit and get rid of this. It's a little bit much, isn't it? It'll jump out that bit of yellow, you know. Now then. And we'll just bring a... yeah, that'll be nice, won't it? We'll bring a bit of a river coming across here. Yeah, that's it. Now dry it off. Yeah, so don't commit suicide out like that just because you're not doing well on YouTube. I'm laughing, but it's not funny, you know, to these young ones. I'm laughing, but I shouldn't be, really, should I? Now, let me see what... Oh... Let's just have some grass here. I'll just put some burnt umber in there across. Oh, I'll just put it here. Put some in here. Like that, yeah. Right. Now I need a hill at the back, yeah? Oh my, a little bit of ultramarine, right, ultramarine, a little bit alizarin. You can have it darkerish, lightish, it doesn't matter. It don't matter. That's not hard, is it? Don't strain yourself and try to do things too hard. Just try and imitate what you think might be the hill at the back. You get foreground here, a bit here, coming towards you, and then green grass right near here, right up to there. Right, and that's a bit of water. Right. Now, I'll tell you what we'll do now. Here's what we'll do. We'll put a couple of trees in over round about here. I'll tell what we'll do. We'll get some brown. We'll use some brown, and we'll put some blue in it. I know. Bit of blue and some brown. And we'll, hold on a minute, hold on, let's not rush at it. A bit of stronger blue. A bit of, I don't know what I'm doing yet, I know with these. Put some brown in, I'm putting some yellow into it now, into that blue and brown together. I said we're going to we're going to come up to there, like that, aren't we? That's what we said we'd do. No, there's no tin there, is there really? A child can do that, can't it? A child. Now, let's think now. What we can do now is we'll put another tree here. I tell you what we can do is we can put a little cabin or that side, or far away, say. A little cabin here, away off. A rest house, and there another. Surprising what they can do, isn't it? Right, now then. Now let's think now, what colour do we need now? We need a dark green, I think. So, we need some yellow ochre. And some Payne's grey. Ah, yeah. Yellow ochre and Payne's grey. And then what we can do here, I better dry it though, haven't I? Which out about it, is there? Oh, that is a bit of fun time. Just showing you how easy you can do it. And you can be making money. Right, that's not been too long for me, has it? Right.